Hey Louis-Philippe, could you introduce yourself?
Certainly, I'm Louis-Philippe and I'm a proud co-founder of Crunch Analytics, and at Crunch Analytics I take up the role of CTO, Chief Technology Officer, which means that I act as a mentor for a team of data scientists and data engineers, guiding them in applying the latest techniques in data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence.
Lovely. Could you explain us why you helped to co-found Crunch Analytics?
Well, 3 years ago I was finishing my PhD at the University of Ghent, and at that point I understood that we were on the brink of a fundamental shift. Certain companies were selling the promise of AI, promoting it as the new ultimate technology. Each business should be investing in this right now. Yet they weren't really making clear on how this would be solving prominent business questions, especially amidst the digital transformation that many companies are going through. They were selling the technology rather than selling answers to a legitimate business need, which is why Laurent and myself co-founded Crunch Analytics in the summer of 2016. We saw a need to help business leaders understand the impact data would be having on their company, their sector, as well as the economy as a whole. We saw a need in helping them to understand what to expect from data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. So we combined the skills of a seasoned management consultant with an academic researcher and teacher. We founded Crunch Analytics to bring together people that share the same intensity and eagerness to use these new technologies in order to answer genuine business questions.
Now, exactly how do you help these business leaders?
Well, we assist them on their journey as they transform into a more data-driven organization. We provide strategy as well as tools to generate value in a changing business environment, which means that we set them on a path of improved and often automated decision-making, ensuring that no business opportunities get lost. We believe that in order to help restructure a company so it can function as a data-driven organization, you need to combine 3 key abilities. First of which is that you need to be able to understand the company's value proposition. And in line with that value proposition, you need to be able to draft a data strategy alongside a data architecture that suits both current size and future growth for a company. Secondly, you need to be able to create, source and implement the tools and applications that enable a company to harness the power of data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence in order to do a better job. And thirdly, you need to be able to train people. You want people to understand the strategy and tools that you helped create. You want them to be able to steer the beautiful ship that you've spent time building. And as Crunch Analytics, we are quite confident that we bring together the right mix of strategists, scientists and engineers in order to do so.
Great. Now, how do you see Crunch Analytics evolving in the coming years?
Well, first we want to apply our philosophy in certain specific industries. One of which is the retail sector, which can surely benefit from the services we are providing, meaning that they are our main focus today. Next to that, we're also active in manufacturing, logistics and horticulture. Things are moving very fast. So Crunch Analytics grew very substantially in the last year and a half, growing from 4 to 15 people, and we're still looking to hire 10 more team members in 2019. This summer, we'll also be opening up shop in the Netherlands, and I believe that in the long run, we should be able to provide our services in a number of European countries.
Now, what is the true goal, the one true goal you hope to achieve with Crunch Analytics?
Well, I believe that our true mission as Crunch Analytics is to instill confidence. We want to make sure that our clients grow confident in bringing large amounts of data together and applying data science to grow their competitive advantage. We want to ensure that they can hire and employ confident co-workers whose sole job it is to successfully solve a creative task, which in turn generates more business value. And we will take care of anything that hinders them from being creative. We will write the algorithms that do the heavy lifting of turning data into insights, and we will automate repetitive tasks that they use to waste hours on.
Now, Louis-Philippe, what makes you a happy man?
Well, for sure it's seeing that confidence grow in the eye of a client. And at the office, I'm very fortunate to work with talented young people that are eager to learn and to experiment. So that's something that makes me very happy. Being able to guide them and grow the company, that's top-notch stuff. And at home, of course, any number of things, spending time with family, spending time outdoors, tinkering with my Raspberry Pi and my various projects at home, engineersy stuff, typical things.
Thank you, Louis-Philippe, and have a lovely DI Summit.
Thanks.